Hi guys, good morning. Today's recipe is we're gonna cook chicken wings with carrot and corn. Made up this recipe with a Mountain Dew. I try it myself, so it's nice. I'm gonna show you how to cook. We need an ingredients: a corn, black pepper, garlic, chili powder, soy sauce, and sugar. Our chicken wings, carrots, and we need a margarine also, and a Mountain Dew. We're gonna use a tomato paste also. Heat the wok. We just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of margarine and added the garlic, and followed by the chicken wing. We're gonna put it one by one for a little bit deep fryer. And we're gonna put our black pepper first. Mix it up, and we're gonna add our soy sauce. We follow the chili powder and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I forgot to add this tomato paste into our ingredients, but don't forget to put it up. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons only. Once it's done, we're gonna add our sugar. Turn the heat into a low and turn the chicken wing. We're gonna add our Mountain Dew. Once we add our Mountain Dew, we mix it up first before we cover. So we cover this for a couple of minutes, and we turn up the chicken. We're gonna put our heat into high flame. Then once it boiled, we're gonna add our corn, carrots, and mix it up. And we're gonna mix this, and we're gonna boil this a couple of minutes to cook the carrots and the corn. While cooking, we need to put the cover, and once it boils again for a couple of minutes, we're gonna turn it into a low heat again. When it's done boiling, we're gonna turn our chicken wings and mix it a little bit. Our corn and the carrot is just nice. It's already done cooked. We're gonna remove our corn first. And also the carrot, we're gonna remove it. We leave it our chicken wing because our sauce is still not yet thick enough, so we're gonna cook this until the gravy is dry. It's not too dry, it's just nice. All the taste is there, so we're ready to serve it. So we're gonna add the gravy on top of the chicken and the carrot, and we're gonna serve this hot. It's done, guys. You're gonna try this recipe at home. I think your kids will love it. It's a bit sweet and a little bit spicy only. It's nice. Just try it at home. Okay, thank you for watching.